Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 4.3. Sixth question. The slope of the tangent to the curve at any point x comma y on it is given by y cube minus 2yx square into dx plus 2xy square minus x cube into dy is equal to 0, and the curve passes through 1 comma 2. Find the equation of the curve. So what is given is the slope of a tangent is given. You will have to find the equation of the curve. Okay. So the slope of a tangent is given, it is y cube minus 2yx square into dx plus 2xy square minus x cube into dy is equal to 0. So first we will have to find dy by dx. So for that what you will have to do is y cube minus 2yx square into dx, I will keep it one side. This term take it towards the right hand side. So that is equal to minus 2xy square minus x cube into dy. Now dy by dx is needed. So dy divided by dx is equal to, this term will be there in the numerator, this will come to the denominator. So y cube minus 2yx square divided by minus 2xy square minus x cube. So what you can do is remove this minus, otherwise multiply that minus inside. So dy by dx is equal to y cube minus 2yx square divided by, this x cube will come as a first term, minus 2xy square will go as a second term, because minus you are multiplying it inside. Now we have got dy by dx. So put y is equal to Vx. So dy by dx is equal to differential of Vx. So V will be there as it is, when differentiation of x will become 1, plus x will be there as it is, differential of V is dV by dx. This is uv formula, uv dash plus vu dash. So now substitute this in your equation 1, where you got dy by dx. So dy by dx is this value, it is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y. In the place of y we can write v cube x cube minus 2, again one y is there, so vx, then x square divided by x cube is there minus 2x, instead of y square we can write it as v square x square. So this is equal to v cube x cube minus 2vx cube divided by, again x cube minus 2, x into x square is x cube, 1v square will be there. So now see which and all is common, you can remove it outside. So 1x cube is there, and here 1x cube is there in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay. So v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, I'll just remove x cube outside. So you will have v cube minus 2v divided by, again x cube here, 1 minus 2v square. So x cube can cancel. V plus x into dv by dx is equal to this value, it is v cube minus 2v divided by 1 minus 2v square. Now take this plus v towards that side of your equal to, so x into dv by dx is equal to v cube minus 2v divided by 1 minus 2v square plus v, if it comes this side it will become minus v. So x into dv by dx is equal to v cube minus 2v. Now you will have to find LCM, minus v into 1 minus 2v square whole thing divided by 1 minus 2v square. X into dv by dx is equal to v cube minus 2v. Multiply this v towards the first term and to your second term. So it is minus v, minus into minus is plus 2v square into v is v cube divided by 1 minus 2v square. Now x into dv by dx is equal to v cube plus 2v cube will become 3v cube minus, here minus 2v minus v will become 3v divided by 1 minus 2v square. So your next step is you have got all the v together and x this side is there. So we'll just remove this v towards your left hand side and take this x towards your right hand side. Okay. So 1 minus 2v square divided by 3v cube minus 3v. So that is denominator has to go to your numerator. Numerator has to come to your denominator into dv is equal to dx divided by x. Now I will remove this 3 and minus together. So minus 1 by 3 I will remove it outside. Now what you have is 2v square minus 1 divided by v cube minus v into dv is equal to dx divided by x. Integral 2v square minus 1 divided by v cube minus v into dv is equal to minus 3 dx by x. That is an integral. So now we will have to proceed with this in your partial fraction. So proceeding with partial fraction, v square minus 1 divided by v cube minus v, that is equal to 2v square minus 1 divided by v. I will remove it outside, so v square minus 1. So 2v square minus 1 divided by v into, this is a square minus b square formula. So we can write it as a plus b into a minus b. So you will get v plus 1 into v minus 1. Now 2v square minus 1 divided by v into v plus 1 into v minus 1 is equal to a by b plus b by v plus 1 plus c by v minus 1. So 2v square minus 1 divided by v into v plus 1 into v minus 1 is equal to, just find LCM. So v into v plus 1, v minus 1 will be your LCM. So a into whichever term is not there in the denominator, the other terms has to be multiplied. Okay. So leave that term, v has to be left out. So v plus 1 and v minus 1 you have to multiply. Same way for b, already v plus 1 is there. So multiply v and v minus 1. So bv into v minus 1 plus c, again v minus 1 is there, so left out terms are v and v plus 1, so v into v plus 1. So now you can cancel these three terms with these three terms. So you'll have 2v square minus 1 is equal to a into v plus 1 v minus 1 plus bv into v minus 1 plus cv into v plus 1. So we'll keep this as equation 2 and this as equation 3. Now you have to give values for v and find your a, b and c. So put v is equal to, first plus 1 is there, so we'll give minus 1. So what will happen is 2 into minus 1 square minus 1. So here I just substituted, that is equal to a into here v. So v is minus 1 plus 1 will become 0. Again this is minus 1 will become minus 2. Then plus b into v is here minus 1. Again minus 1 is minus 2 plus c, v is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will become 0. So here minus 1 square is 1. So 2 ones are 2. Minus 1 is equal to, this whole thing will become 0 because 0 is there. So 0 plus minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. So 2b plus c into 0. So 1 is equal to 2b. That implies b is equal to 1 by 2. So we have got b first. Then put v is equal to, we have given already minus 1, so put v is equal to plus 1. Now substitute here again in equation 3, you will get 2 into 1 square minus 1, which is equal to a into 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, plus b into, v is 1, again 1 minus 1 will become 0, plus c into, v is again 1, 1 plus 1 will become 2. So here 1 square is 1, so 2 minus 1 is equal to, this part will become 0, b again will become 0, 2c will be there. So 1 is equal to 2c, that implies c is equal to 1 by 2. Now already we have given 1 and minus 1, so put v is equal to 0. So first whole thing will become 0, only minus 1 will be there. That is equal to, this will become 0 and this will become, that is your v will become 0. So plus 1 and minus 1, it will become minus 1. So I will write minus a. Then here already it is 0 is there, so whole thing will become 0. b into 0 into minus 1 plus c into 0 into plus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus a plus 0 plus again 0. So a is equal to 1. So we have got all the three values. Just substitute in this second equation. So you will have 2v square minus 1 divided by v into v plus 1 into v minus 1 is equal to, instead of a you have to write 1. So 1 by v plus v is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into v plus 1 plus c is again 1 by 2 into v minus 1. Now you will have to go to integration. Okay, so this part only we have found it here. Up to here only this proceeding with partial fraction only we have done it. So now you have to go to integral. Okay, so just write here integral of 2v square minus 1 divided by v into v plus 1 into v minus 1 is equal to integral of 1 by v into dv plus 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by v plus 1 into dv plus 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by v minus 1 into dv. So integral of 1 by v into dv plus 1 by 2 integral of 1 by v plus 1 into dv plus 1 by 2 integral of 1 by v minus 1 into dv is equal to, we have minus 3 integral of dx by x. So now we will go for integration. So integral of 1 by v is 1 by x. Okay, so 1 by x into dx is log x. So log v here plus 1 by 2 into log v plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into log v minus 1, which is equal to minus 3 log x plus log c. Since everything is there in log, you can insert your log c. Now log v plus this 1 by 2, take it to the power, so it is log v plus 1 power 1 by 2 plus again log v minus 1 power 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 3 log xc, will write it. So joining. Okay, so now here this side also you can join it, log v into v plus 1 the whole power 1 by 2 into v minus 1 the whole power 1 by 2 is equal to log xc the whole power minus 3. This minus 3 are taken to the power. Okay, so now log v This I'll write it in root v plus 1, again root v minus 1, which is equal to log xc power minus 3. Now log and log you can remove it, so v root of v plus 1 into v minus 1 will become v square minus 1, because a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. This we have done in the beginning of the sum, that is equal to xc power minus 3. Now v into root of v square minus 1 is equal to, I will just write 1 divided by x cube c cube, because minus 3 if you bring it to the denominator it will become plus 3. So x c the whole power 3 will become, so I will just split it up together. Okay, so now put v is equal to y by x. So in this place we will have to put v is equal to y by x. So I will have y by x into root of y square by x square, root is fully, then minus 1 is equal to 1 by x cube c cube. So y by x, now find LCM inside, so x square will go there, so y square minus x square divided by x square is equal to 1 by x cube c cube. So y by x root y square minus x square, this x square from the root I will remove it, so it will become x, that is equal to 1 by c cube x cube. Now x and x is there, so y into root of y square minus x square divided by x square is equal to 1 by c cube x cube. Now you can cancel this x square and here 1x. So you will have y into root of y square minus x square, that is equal to 1 by c cube x. And given, we will just mark this as equation 4. Given the curve passes through, there in your question, passes through 1, 2. So given the curve passes through 1, 2, so substitute 1, 2, instead of x you will have to write 1, instead of y you will have to write 2. So 2 root of y square is 2 square, so I will write 4, minus x square is 1 square, so that is equal to 1 by c cube into, instead of x you will have to write 1. So 2 into root of 4 minus 1 is 3, that is equal to 1 by c cube. So substitute this 1 by c cube, that is the value what we got it here in your equation 1. So substitute in equation, sorry it is not 1, it is 4. So y into root of y square minus x square is equal to 1 by c cube only, we have got 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 divided by x. Take this x towards your left hand side. So xy into root of y square minus x square is equal to 2 root 3. So this is the equation of the curve. So with this your 6th question is done.